welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by as well. My name is Adobe Okonkwo Abakporo. I am a Nigerian content creator based in Minnesota. I am also an MBA student, a grad student. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my Sunday reset, or just basically a weekend in my life, because I don't think I'll be doing any major resets, especially because my bathtub is still bad. But I have a couple of things that I need to knock out. So I just completed some assignments this morning before I started filming. So I woke up at around 5 and did those assignments. So I have to go and edit my video for Wednesday. I figured the most realistic thing to do is to try and edit my Sunday and Wednesday videos during the weekend. That way I'm able to remain consistent. I want to try that out this November and see if that works, and then I'll retain that. But back to my introduction, I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a career, and living my best life. Now, if that's something that interests you, then you should definitely consider joining the family by clicking the big red button down below that says subscribe, and also just hitting the subscribe, the notification, turning on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video up on my channel. But without any further ado, I'm going to go straight and get started with my day. I have a pile of clothes outside from the washing machine that I need to fold that my husband has completely ignored, as if he hasn't seen it for days. So I have to go and fold those myself. And I also need to edit my video. I already talked about that. I got the book by Holly Coven that I want to try and read a couple of chapters, or even read half of it today. Just rest and relax for tomorrow. I'm still deciding if I should go to class tomorrow in person or I should just take the class online. Most likely going to be online because I'm getting tired of school. So let's get started. So I posted my November monthly reset. If you haven't seen that yet, you should check it out on my channel. And the video, compared to the other ones that I've posted, is doing more. I currently have 256 views, which is like the highest that I've gotten in the past couple of weeks, days, even weeks even. But yeah, I'm really excited. And so let's go get started. My plan is to edit as fast as I can and then fold the clothes. I don't want to clean today because I feel like if I should clean, it's gonna take the whole day and I really want to relax. So let's go and get started. I always keep this bottled water by my nightstand, so I put ice and then I pour water in it, and it keeps the water really cold. My husband already helped lay the bed, so I don't have much to do in that regards. And this is all the clothes that I need to fold. I know, and they're all clean clothes, so I just kept washing and washing. I just haven't folded, and then I put the towels in, so that's the sound that you're hearing right now. Those are a lot of clothes. I don't know, I like doing so now I have a little bit of time to talk to you guys. I just restarted my system. I like to do that every weekend because throughout the week I don't have the opportunity to restart my system, just because I'm constantly like working and taking classes, so there's no time to close on my tabs. So I like to do that on the weekend when there are no risk. I'm not jumping into the next class immediately. But oh, by the way, let me show you guys, I got a new monitor and I love it. So I put this in my Best Buy cart, and I didn't buy it because obviously it was expensive to me. And then they were doing a Black Friday sale, and they just sent me an email reminder. It was like $100 less, and I was like, yes, sign me up. And yeah, I got it. So this is the Samsung J79 curved 34 inches monitor. It's beautiful. This is what my desk setup is looking like. This is a Logitech keyboard. This is my tripod for my camera, my phone stand. I love this stuff. I also use it for my iPad, and then I got a laptop and iPad stand, which is there, my glass of water, my husband's wallet because he likes to use this table occasionally. But the monitor is just my favorite part. It's beautiful. The quality, everything is just awesome on this monitor. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys really quickly. I'm just gonna go ahead and set you guys back on the tripod. What I'm doing today is, there was something I was going to talk about, but I absolutely forgot. I have to make sure I have enough candies for trick-or-treaters when they come by. I didn't want to buy extra because we already had some on the fridge that I just need to get rid of. So I don't think I'm going to buy more. I have like quarter of the big storage of it left, so I don't think I need to buy any. But I'm going to be showing you guys just a quick glimpse of how I edit my videos. What I like to do first is to do a rough cut, and now what I'm doing with that, I'm going through, I'll make it bigger. I'm going to show you how. So when you open your Final Cut Pro, it looks like this, right? The first thing I like to do is put it there, and then I like to correct the colors because the clips are longer and you can easily edit like large scale of stuff that when you've already cut it and you have to start doing Control Shift Paste to input or paste the effect. So once I've done the color correcting, I go ahead and add my filter, which is this two. So the first one is probably the effect I created, and then this one is the one my friend created for me. I find that combining both of them gives me a really good color effect. So let me show you what the original would have looked like, and to do that you just simply press V, and that's what this clip looks like without any, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but for example this portion here that is looking, you guys can't really see it here, but I can tell that it's very orangey. So when you turn this on, can you see what that does? And then when you turn the second one, and boom, can you see what it did? So it reduces that redness, the saturation, and gives it like a more live look. One thing, you see this thing, how it's small like this, is very difficult for you to edit. So this is the trick that I want to teach you guys. So you go and press this button here where this rainbow thing is showing, so, and then you want to drag this all the way. So I always have it in the fourth option, which makes the video larger and the audio just moderate, and then you want to make it bigger. So you can see the more you drag it, the more the clips actually like come together. So I like to leave it at about this amount. It makes your editing process super easy, especially if you're editing on a small screen. Now once I've done that, I would go in and do my first rough cut. So that's what I've done. So enough rambling, let's get into editing. Let me show you guys a quick glimpse. I just don't want to get copyrighted, but I'm currently exporting it. I would upload it and schedule it for Wednesday. I need to figure out what thumbnail I want to do, but luckily finished editing the video that I wanted to edit. I am currently uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, I'm just gonna play some relaxing music but mute it so that the video can continue uploading even though I'm not active on my laptop. I am going to go take a quick nap. I'm actually feeling really dizzy and sleepy, so I'm gonna go take a really quick nap. When I wake up, I'm gonna clean the house and have my bath and fold out the clothes that are out there. But yeah, let me go take a quick nap. I'll see you guys.
Another party, another Friday night, another talk that might turn into a fight. Too many faces you only see online. Too many cases of faking by design. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and feeling old. Being young and engaged in the modern age. Only seen on the screen, internet's our stage. Reaching high, wondering why no one knows the way. Got the world at our feet.
5:06. I was able to fold the clothes. I haven't vacuumed, and the dishes, I wasn't able to do those, but I need to sleep. I'm feeling some sort of way, you know. I haven't slept properly this weekend. I've been waking up super early to do my assignment and stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video enough to hit the subscribe button and join the family. Please share my video, and it's gonna mean the world to me if you subscribe and join my family. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the year ends, and I literally have just 2 more months. With that said, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.